taking him home with me. But I be ordering.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, hide in the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying.
Guys, it's your girl Jacuria Samo, and I'm back with another video. So today, this video basically is going to be about me decorating my car and giving it a car wash because it needed, like, very much needed. Like, if y'all see my car, I'm gonna show y'all before and after, but if y'all see my car, it is so freaking dirty. So yeah, we finna get this cleaned up, and I have some Amazon packages for the car coming today, so we just gonna be decorating and cleaning the car, and y'all gonna be coming along with me. So yeah.
Miss Parker! Miss Parker! Can I talk to you
Told
for a
you.
minute, Miss Parker?
We be letting you know. Evil lurks.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Vicky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get her the flea.
Hey guys, we made it to the car wash. Well, the car, whatever this place called, but you can vacuum your car and stuff like that. But anyway, so yeah, we is here, and me and my sister is about to vacuum the inside of the car. This is the before. Y'all see how dirty this car is? Like, yeah, this car is dirty, so it's getting clean.
P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a bitty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tucked in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step off sweating, so I dress like baby D. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy, I so know you know it's giving.
I'm gonna wash the car down because they definitely need washing, as y'all can see. So I'm about to put these little $3 in and come with me.
I got points when there's not enough, come build a nigga team. I need chips, I told that nigga first. He like a baby, carry that up right here. I know this nigga sip, cause shawty got me shawty going. Let's have all that, or I get that bitch up, money on my house, give a fuck up on my face. On my face, you can't get touched, that I make that nigga in. I know that I'm rich, but that's no magic bitch. Push a T, push a pound of weed, need a
The car is clean, and now it's time to decorate the inside, but I'm gonna be doing that once I get home. So I'll check in with you guys once I get home.
Okay, so hey guys, so some of my decoration things that came in today, and I got this from Amazon. It says don't fuck up the car. That is like so freaking cute. And I'm gonna put it in the, cup holder. Let me move my cup. My mother, I made this box. So good, I'm gonna put this in a cup holder right now.
Hey y'all, we got the back seat done, and y'all, it was like so ridiculous, like barely could do it. So got the back seat done. It's semi wet, kind of good. It's just that damn thing right there, but it is what it is. So yeah, I like it. It's cute, but it's just like that problem right there. I might have to order another cover seat. But y'all, they need to put on they need to put instructions on the things, because y'all, we had trouble putting that shit on. Like, it was so freaking hard.
We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drinks
guys, so it is a week later. I had took me a little break. Y'all know I be on my little breaks. And it's currently Thursday, and today I'm going to be going to the grocery store, gym. Mainly, I'm going to be going to the grocery store. Y'all going to be coming along with me. And I need to get some few things to lose this weight. I'm on a journey to, you know, gain a butt and lose my stomach. And I got this girl workout plan, so I'm currently trying to follow the plan and the workout plan, the food and the workout plan. So yeah, y'all gonna be coming along with me to the grocery store. And that's pretty much what I have on my agenda today. And I might go to like Dollar Tree, you know, stop at a couple stores and get some stuff for the car. And yeah, that's it. So I'll check in with you guys once I get to the store, honey.
I found the street with a house in which she stayed. And my stories full, every name on every page. Cause I read somewhere you're falling enough for me. I'll try again one day you'll see. Your hands under my pillow so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving bruises on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. Tell me what your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm faded on my knees. It's so much that I need. I've ordered you today, everything like I want to take.
Hey guys, so I'm back in the car and I went into Ross and they don't have nothing at all. Like, it was just terrible. But I got this from Five Below, and I'm trying to open up so I can put it on the shelf thing, because I'm gonna need this. I don't know where I be going half of the time, so I'm definitely gonna need to put this up. I had bought one already, but it didn't fit in the cars. I got this as well to put on the back of my car where my tag is at. So yeah, I'm gonna do that once I get home, but I'm trying to set this up right now. So I think I did it. This is what it's looking like.
If you stand around, it's only I would like. Every sense of what's a glass and drive it right. First you a song, do you wanna hear it now? They bring your friends along to phone the club. Cause I need to prove I wrote it just for you. What's the need for them? It could be just us two. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm feeling on my knees. It's so much that I need.
So hey y'all, I am back from Publix and I wanted to try this viral drink. It have like probiotic. It's a probiotic soda. I tried Olipop. It was kind of good, but y'all need to drink this. What is it called? Poppy? Y'all, when I tried it, I'm like, damn. Like, it tastes so fucking good. I can drink this all day long. So I had got a sandwich from Publix. Instead of me going to Chipotle, I'm just gonna eat this sandwich I got from Publix and see what this hitting. Guys, so I just left from the gym. I really didn't do too much. I just, you know, did a little few workouts and left. But yeah, that is it for today. I'm tired as hell. I didn't even take a nap today, so yeah, I'm just gonna go to sleep, and I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Good night, you guys. Hey y'all, so today is Saturday. It is the afternoon. It's currently 1:42 p.m. and I am going to go out to eat with my cousin for her birthday. And yeah, we're just gonna have a good old time at the restaurant. And right now I'm trying to go to Walmart, but I'm trying to wait for my video on YouTube to upload. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. But I'll check in with you guys or give y'all an update once I get to Walmart. So hey guys, I'm in a car. I'm finna head to Walmart, get some few things. Actually, what I'm really going to Walmart is like get some snacks or whatever, like some healthy snacks or whatever. Cause you know I'm on a journey to lose weight and gain. You know, I already told y'all that I'm trying to lose weight, so I really need a snack. So that's what I'm currently doing. Today is my cheat day, but yeah, I'm gonna try to eat some healthy snacks between, you feel me? But yeah, so while I was trying to leave for Walmart, Amazon had came and sent me a package. I'm gonna open it up for y'all. Hold on, let me set this camera up. So TikTok been showing, hold on, make sure my camera ain't moving. But anyways, so I've been all on TikTok and the girls be saying that it's these Arabian perfumes that be smelling good, and the girls on TikTok do not be lying. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the perfume that I've been getting, and people be like, oh my god, you smell so good. It's this cocoa musk. I don't know if y'all can see. It's this cocoa musk perfume, and y'all need to get this. Like, when I say get this, get it. Like, this shit will have you smelling good all day. It even have your clothes smelling good. Like, I just smell like chocolate, and you know, it's so freaking good. Like, I can spray this all damn long. Like, I smell good. And you only can like spray a little bit and you still smell good. I am not with designer perfume anymore. I am with Arabian perfume. Like, bye-bye designer perfume. Like, y'all, I used to be obsessed with designer perfume, but not no more, because I can get these Arabian perfume for cheap and still smell fucking good. Like, what? But yeah, enough talking. I'll catch y'all at Walmart. Peace.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me?
So hey guys, we is at Walmart. I'm finna show y'all my grocery list. I don't even know why I'm going to the, you know, the medicine and protein now, because I don't even need all that. So let me see what I need to get from Walmart. I don't know if y'all can see, but I got some of the stuff from Publix 2 days ago. So I need to get salmon, steak. I need to get some tortillas, some protein tortillas, and what else? Oh, and some snacks. I didn't add any snacks on here, but I'm not at the food area right now. I'm gonna see what they have, you know, see if I need to pick up a few things from the hair aisle. Let's see. Oh, I need some hand sanitizer. I'm gonna get some hand sanitizer for my car, because my hands be dirty sometimes. So I seen a video on TikTok where this girl, she get what's some essential oils or whatever, and she put it in a spray bottle and she sprayed it around her car that made her car smell good. So I think I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna get the pink spray bottle and I'm gonna go to the air freshener out and see if I can find it. Why do I just start looking for other things that's not on my list? Like, I need to go by my list.
I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, with me I'm fair. But you find me ugly and one day you disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boys are way up. But boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not making money, boy. But boys are way up. But boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not making money, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like,
So hey guys, I am back in the car and y'all, it is so windy out there, but I'm gonna do the little TikTok thing I was telling y'all about in the store, where this girl, she poured the what is this? I forgot what it's called. Oh yeah, fragrance oil, where she put the fragrance oil inside here and sprayed it around her car. That was like so cool. But I'm only gonna do one bottle. I'm gonna leave this one open right here, so you know it could smell good. I'm gonna just leave it open. It smells so good, y'all. This in here will try to. And now I'm just gonna put the top on and this, and I'm gonna spray it around. Let's test try. Oh, this car finna be smelling like. Let me put it on the vents. Oh my god, it's smelling already. I think I put too much. Whew. Y'all, I put too much on there. But shit, the whole car smell amazing. Thanks to the girl on TikTok. Thank you, boo. Now I'm finna be doing this every time. I ain't gotta go to Bath and Body Works, get them little non-fragrant car fresheners that don't work. So thank you, girl. I'm finna get another bottle and put some in here too. So thank you, sis. I think once I get home, I'ma just take a little nap and get ready for this restaurant, this little out to eat thing with my cousin, and I'll check in with you guys then. Peace.
A few moments later.
on her back. Think about me cause he know that it's fact.
Yeah.
And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Stuck in my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hear me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good enough.
So hey y'all, we at the restaurant and I'm gonna show y'all my plate. I don't think y'all can see me a lot cause like the lights are kind of dim, so y'all can't really see. But I got some crawfish, shrimp, and some chicken on stick. And I got sushi.
Y'all, I'm taking him home with me.
Bitch, I'm dead. And we got some sushi. Today my cheat day, but I'm eating healthy still, so yeah. I'll check in with you guys once we done.
Now let me try it. I'm gonna
CC trying.
Stupid.
CC. He spit that thing out.
Put it down, Cecilia.
Bro, I'm not gonna eat that.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No, 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 no.
Shakira eating a baby octopus. CC trying it. Give me your review on it, CC. What is
I really
it?
don't taste nothing.
Something.
No, try the legs.
Okay, give me out the camera.
Okay, Shakira, what you trying
the
next?
legs.
Frog legs,
No,
octopus legs, tentacles.
it's not bad.
Yeah, child, but I didn't order this.
What is that?
Let's go. Hey y'all, so we just left from the restaurant and y'all, everybody, hold on, let me fix the lighting. Hold on y'all. And everybody full as fuck. We full. Hey. We lit. Yeah, y'all, we just left. We full as hell. We finna go home though, cause we ain't got shit else to do. You feel me? Girl, that is. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I just wanted to let y'all know that I am ending this vlog right here because last night so yesterday y'all seen me go to the restaurant Hibachi Grill. Last night my stomach started to get worse and it just like got worse and worse, and this morning I threw up. I was just all over the place and I'm still all over the place. It's the afternoon right now, but this morning I threw up. I'm shitting everywhere. Like, y'all, when I tell y'all do not want the food poisoning at all. I just woke up again because I couldn't sleep last night and it was just like so horrible. So yeah, I'm up. I had washed my hair. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I had more stuff planned, but like I said, I have got the food poisoning and it really messed me up and stuff. So I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm ending the vlog, and thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my other video because it's going to be more planned. And I promise you I will not get sick. But yeah, bye you guys.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside.